Welcome children in my class today, class 5. Today I will teach you grammar from the MCD book. This is chapter 3, learning grammar. Chapter 3, page number 38. We have done A number as well as B number also, gender, about the gender it is. Okay, what is gender? Here I have written the definition of gender. Nouns, gender. Noun can also be classified on the basis of gender. In the Hindi we have striling and pulling. In this way in the English we have, it is called gender. Noun that is referred to female called feminine gender. A noun referred to males, it is called masculine gender. These are the examples I have given. Noun which can be used for both male and female as well, it is called common gender. And noun which refer to lifeless thing means non-living thing, it is called neuter gender. Okay, and here are compound noun. A noun made up of two or more existing words called compound noun. Here are the example I have. This is, we have to do it in the book itself, no need to do in the copy. Fill up the books. And noun gender we will do in the grammar book also, in the book only. Write only definition of gender in the copy and do the exercise in the book itself, no need to do in the copy. Okay children, be careful about it, no need to write in the copy, you have to do in the book itself. Now here duke will be feminine in duchess. Okay, duke will be changed as duchess. In this way, policeman, policewoman, prince, princess, superman, superwoman, woman. In this way we will do it. Now we have to match it. Okay, bull match with cow. In this way we will do it also in the book itself. Now here compound noun, and I have written here the definition of compound noun. You have to write it in your copy and do the exercise in the book. Okay, do exercise in the book. Now with the help of this compound noun like address, book, bus, stop, credit, card, okay, we have to make another word to join the two different words here, and we have to make another word here, compound, which is called compound noun. And by the help of this we have to fill up here. Mom is looking for her dash. She wants to write a letter to her friend. Which compound word will be? I have to fill here address book from the here. Okay, address, it is here na, address book. We have to fill here address book. So do previous exercise first, and by the help of this we have to complete this also. Do it in the book. And in this way this chapter is finished. Okay, and we have to complete the noun also in the grammar book itself.